This is an update for a quick review about my BOYA mic. And this setup is when I'm using my Samsung camera, which is the S9 Plus Edge. And as you know, you will see in the video what is the reason why I bought this additional 3.5mm jack extension for my BOYA mic. So hey guys, I'm now back again to this video. Right now I am now using the plug-in that I've showed you earlier. So you can check the sound quality, which is, I think it is very nice. That's why I rated 5 out of 5. So you can try it and you can buy it. And this is not a paid advertisement. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in another one.